The best thing I like in my field is getting to know a lot of people. Even though they're hurt, I'd like to get them back together and get them back into a condition where they can go back to their normal activities. Hi, my name is Dr. Eduardo Olmedo. I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon specializing in shoulders, knees, and sports medicine. My philosophy of care, I try to involve the patient in their interactions with their problem they're having. They need to understand what's breaking down and how their body is functioning and what's causing for them to have problems. One of the most important things with patient care is that the patient needs to understand that it's not just one visit. Sometimes it's a modification of activity, sometimes it's a little conditioning they need, sometimes it's a fine-tuning of some exercise, sometimes you have to do surgery and fix them and get them back to normal activity level. Making a connection with your patient is one of the most important things because the patient has to be part of the treatment, has to be part of the healing process. I was good in school, I did sports too, but eventually through the college process, I ended up in medical school and then rotating. I liked orthopedics where people kind of break down, we put them back together and they're back to normal. You were dealing with more healthy people, got me into orthopedics. I see a lot of shoulders and knee injuries, sport-related injuries, and also non-sport-related injuries because the body breaks down no matter what we do. Everybody's going to need us sometimes, and we are here trained to help them get back to a very healthy life. I started in Puerto Rico, the University of Puerto Rico, the campus of the West Coast, and then went to medical school, San Juan area, and it was very interesting. I learned how to do orthopedics and medicine. At the same time, I learned how to do windsurfing. I started windsurfing back in 1975-76. I saw a person doing it in Puerto Rico, and I said, I want to do that. And through the years, I've been learning more and more, and it's very exhilarating. It's like going full blast on a sports car or a motorcycle when the wind hits you. I've been married for over 30 years, and I got 2 boys, and they're very healthy, and they're very lovable. They like to work, they like to run, they like to enjoy life in a healthy way. And the first visit that I see a patient, they can expect that I'm going to dedicate 100% attention and all the time that is needed to understand where they're coming from, understand their injury, and understand the type of life they lead to help them heal the best way possible. It's one of the best feelings you can have as an orthopedic surgeon when somebody tells you, hey Doc, thank you very much, I'm doing everything I did before, because you've reached the goal that has been set between the patient and the doctor that is trying to get them back to their normal life. And it's very, very fulfilling.